Dial Tone is a creepypasta that plays very much on psychology and what could happen, maybe not in real life to everybody, but if you went insane or you started hearing noises and it drove you insane, it's a very disturbing concept. It's about a guy who resides in a cabin and he goes to get firewood and then starts hearing abnormal dial tones coming from his phone. After a while, he hears a loud noise outside, which turns out to be a ton of dead birds. Now these birds, whatever they did, they hit so hard that it jostled the plates in his cabin, and when he went out and looked, the birds were smashed, like someone took a sledgehammer to them or something. The dial tone gets so loud at a point that it actually bursts his eardrum and causes him to pass out, which leads to him going to the hospital. When he tries to tell the doctors what happened, they keep asking him to repeat the story. They're saying that they can't understand what he's saying. This gets very frustrating, obviously, and eventually a woman records him talking. And when he sees the video, he discovers that there aren't words coming out of his mouth like he thinks. It's just the same dial tone that bursted his eardrum. As I said, this is a very disturbing creepypasta in the sense that it's psychological fear. It's a creepypasta that really hits you with disturbing imagery and a very creepy concept. I've said before that creepypastas that are based on events that could actually happen are often the scarier ones to me. This one is pretty scary, even though it's, for the most part, unrealistic. But like I said, it plays on psychology, and that's also a very disturbing concept. All in all, Dial Tone is a very disturbing creepypasta. I definitely recommend this one. As I said, very psychological, very creepy, disturbing imagery. Check it out.